India. Draupadi Murmu. Vice President of India. Jagdeep Dhankar. Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi. Chief Justice of India. D.Y. Chandrachud. Chief Justice of Supreme Court. D.Y. Chandrachud. Leader of the Lok Sabha. Narendra Modi. Leader of the Rajya Sabha. J.P. Nadda. Speaker of Lok Sabha in India. Om Birla. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha in India. The post has been vacant. Chairman of Rajya Sabha in India. Jagdeep Dhankar. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha in India. Harivansh Narayan Singh. Ruling party in India. Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP election symbol. BJP party flag. Opposition party in India. Indian National Congress. INC election symbol. INC party flag. Chief Election Commissioner of India. Rajiv Kumar. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Girish Chandra Murmu. Comptroller General of Accounts of India. CGA. SS Dubey. Chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission. UPSC. Preeti Sudan. Attorney General of India. R. Venkataramani. Chairperson of Niti Aayog. Narendra Modi. Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog. Suman Berry. Chairperson of National Human Rights Commission. NHRC. Arun Kumar Misra. Chairperson of Finance Commission of India. Aravind Panagaria. Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Shakti Kanta Das. Chairperson of 7th Pay Commission. Ashok Kumar Mathur. Chairperson of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. S. Somnath. CEO of Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg. Secretary General of UN, United Nations. Antonio Guterres. How many number of member states are there in UN? 193. 193.